Inside the box is everything you need. The directions. Thank you for your order. This is the epoxy and the hardener. These are mixing cups. You get some rubber gloves, sandpaper you need, some flux brushes, alcohol pads for cleaning it after you sand it. And this right here is compression tape. That's the secret to how the process works. The compression tape squeezes the carbon patches that you put on, and with the epoxy applied to the frame, it bonds the patches. Patches are in here. This is carbon fiber cloth. So that was about $100 for the whole thing.